Think you've got the measure of a sneeze? You might be surprised. A sneeze isn't just a tickle in your nose, it's a high-speed launch pad. With the ability to reach up to 100 miles per hour, it's faster than most of us drive. That's right, your common, everyday sneeze could outpace a cheetah. So the next time you feel a sneeze coming on, remember to cover up. You wouldn't want your sneeze to embark on an unexpected road trip. Thank you for joining this quick burst of knowledge. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a like, share with your friends, and keep your curiosity piqued. Until next time, bye-bye.